Hey guys, so you've wanted to watch your favorite TV shows late at night without disturbing your whole family? Yes, there's a way of connecting your Bluetooth earbuds or earphones or headphones to your smart TV. And in this video, I'll show you to do it quickly. So let's get started. Step number 1. Turn on the pairing mode. This is the most important step before anything else. To turn on pairing mode in your Bluetooth device, you might have to long press on the power button on the back of your earbuds or earphones. The exact way how to put your Bluetooth device on a pairing mode might vary from brand to brand. You might have to look up for a more tip on that very manual guide of your device. Alright, here I've got my Redmi Buds 5 earbuds, and to activate pairing mode on this device, just hold press on the earbuds case side button for a few seconds until the indicating light blinks. Now let's go to step number 2 for the TV pairing part. Step number 2. Assess the TV settings. Well, you probably want to stay a little more focused on this step since it might vary from TV to TV. However, the core guide here is to find the TV settings where you will be able to turn on or add a Bluetooth device on your TV. Remember that for TV which has built-in Bluetooth function is 1, and TV that has connected to a streaming device such as Kindle Stick TV, Chromecast, Roku TV, Mi Box, etc. is another. If you're accessing the Bluetooth through DirecTV setting, then here the list of TVs with their own paths to the setting menus and setup process, following the text directed on these videos for your device. If you're on any streaming devices, find their own Bluetooth settings. Here are a few possible ways to access the streaming device Bluetooth depends on the brands. Follow the paths listed in this video text for your device. Alright guys, here I've got a Toshiba TV without the built-in Bluetooth function, but I have the Kindle Fire Stick TV connected with it. So I'm going to navigate to the Kindle Fire Stick TV settings, click on that gear icon. Here, choose controller and Bluetooth devices. Now let's go to step number 3 for pairing guide. Step number 3. Pair and connect. Next, scroll down and choose other Bluetooth devices. Now choose add a Bluetooth device. Make sure that your Bluetooth earbuds or earphones or headphones are still in the pairing mode as mentioned in the step number 1. Let it scan the device. Now click to choose the device. For me here is the Redmi Buds 5. Alright, device is connected. Now let's go to step number 4 for bonus guys. Step number 4. Bonus tips and tricks. Now for bonus tips here, to disconnect the Redmi Buds 5, just click on OK, means the select buttons on your Fire Stick TV remote while you're in this setting menu. If you want to totally unpair, not disconnect it only, then use the 3 lines menu button on the Fire Stick TV remote. Great guys, now enjoy your TV shows within the immersive sound experience and without disturbing anyone around. If you find this tutorial video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to Phan for more tech guides. If you have any questions or want to share with me how it works out for you, then drop me a comment down below. See you guys in the next video.